Hope the screen is visible. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me take the example. Just write down the question. Solve 2x minus 1 the whole square into d square y by dx square plus 2x minus 1 into dy by dx minus 2y is equal to 8x square minus 2x plus 3. So this belongs to this equation is, I'll just write the equation in the little standard format, just like so given equation we can write like 2x minus 1 the whole square by double dash plus 2x minus 1 into y dash minus 2y is equal to 8x square minus 2x plus 3. Okay, yeah. Tell me this belongs to which category? Which type of equation is this?
Legendre.
Legendre linear equation. Yeah, to solve a Legendre's linear equation, we have to go for a substitution, isn't it? So what is the linear factor present here? Which is the linear factor we have? You have ax plus b, you have 1 plus x, you have x minus 1. What do you have?
2x minus 1.
Yeah. 2x minus 1, take that linear factor and it is to be substituted as what? E raised to z. Yeah, e raised to z is fixed, only that linear factor changes from problem to problem in case of Legendre. So what is z from here? What is z?
Log 2x minus 1.
Very good. Log of 2x minus 1. Now you can see this RHS part, it is now in terms of x power and all. So better from the same relation, I'll find out the value of x. Okay. Now, if I want to get the value of x, first I have to transfer 1 or 2 on the other side.
1.
1. So what it will be? X will be e raised to z plus 1. Then I transfer a 2. It comes in the denominator. Yeah, divided by 2. Now, if you go for this substitution, therefore, if you take 2x minus 1 into y dash, it will be converted as what? First order means first only one term, dy. But you have to see the coefficient of
2.
x is present, right? 2. So you should take 2 to the power 1. Yes. Similarly, if you take 2x minus 1 the whole square y double dash, you should take it as two terms, d minus 1 into y. Again, coefficient of x is 2. How to take? 2 square, which is to be taken as 4. Okay, and what is capital D here? Capital D is d by dz. Take RHS part because it is little complicated. Better will simplify. This is 8 into x square. X square means this is the value of x. So we'll square it and take. So isn't it numerator square divided by denominator square? E raised to z plus 1 the whole square divided by 2 square is how much? 4. Right? Minus 2 into x. X is e raised to z plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3 as it is. Is the substitution clear? Yeah, do the simplification. Tell me what we can do here. Tell me the simplification we can apply. 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are, right? What will get then? This is 2 into bracket e raised to z plus 1 the whole square. How can we simplify this bracket? E raised to z plus 1 the whole square. How we can simplify? How can we simplify? Am I there in the meeting? Huh?
A plus b whole square, ma'am.
A plus b the whole square. Please answer, no? Otherwise, how I'll come to know that the people are attentive yes or no? Yeah, a plus b the whole square. A square. What is e raised to z square means? E raised to z the whole square means? A
E
square.
power
E raised to 2z. E raised to 2z into this 2 will be 2 e raised to 2z, correct? Huh. Plus 1. Okay. A square plus b square is 1. 1 into 2 means 2 plus 2ab if you take 2 e raised. Okay. What is the 2ab term for this expansion? 2 e raised to z into 2 is how much? 4 e raised to z, no? Am I right? Now this minus into these terms. Change the sign. Minus e raised to z minus 1 plus 3. Correct? Simplify. This is 2 into e raised to 2z. Next, what is plus 4 and minus 1?
Plus 3.
Plus 3 into e raised to z and
Plus
5
4.
minus 1.
It's
Plus 4.
plus 4.
Plus 4. Yeah, this is the RHS part. Let us take all these changes in equation 1. Just see what we'll get. First term is 2x minus 1 the whole square y double dash. What is the value of this? Isn't it? 2 square is 4d. 4d into bracket d minus 1 into y. Second term is plus 2x minus 1 the into y dash is 2dy plus 2y is equal to RHS. 2 e raised to 2z plus 3 e raised to z plus 4.
and minus 2 1, ma'am.
Very good. Now I'll try to do mistakes. Then at least you will unmute and speak. Okay. Yeah, this is minus 2y. Yeah, take y common and write it. What will get? 4d into d is 4d square. Correct? 4d into minus 1 means minus 4d plus 2d is how much? Plus 2d, no? What will get? Minus 4d plus 2d is how much?
minus 2.
Minus 2. And here from here you will get minus 2 is equal to 2 e raised to 2z plus 3 into e raised to z plus 4. This is converted to our differential equation with constant coefficients. Yeah, what is the next step? Auxiliary equation is what? What are the roots? Take in calculator, tell me the roots. No, not getting the roots. Huh? Is it minus 1 minus half? What are the roots?
1 and minus 1 by 2.
1 and minus 1 by 2. How much time you people are taking? I'm really not understanding. Tell me the CF. Some of you who don't have any background disturbance can keep yourself unmute and just give the answers. Huh? Unless you answer, I cannot proceed ahead. Tell me, what will you get?
C1 e
CF.
power 1.
1z and minus z by 2. Okay, right, in terms of x, what is e raised to z? Check, what is e raised to z?
2x minus 1.
So it is 2x minus 1. This is C2. See, this is e raised to z. I want minus z by 2 means what I have to raise the power? I want to get minus z by 2 means I have to raise the power by minus half. Correct? So you can take it even here in terms of x. Hope the step is clear. E raised to z is 2x minus 1. No. So I'm raising the power by minus half so that it balances like this. Okay. Now pi 1 upon f of d into pi of x. Just see how many functions you have, how many terms. Isn't it all are different? They may belong to first case, but all are different here. So try it as 3 different terms. What have to write for constant? What we have to write for constant? Yeah, e raised to 0 z. See, everything belongs to type 1. What we do in type 1? We replace d square by minus a square, no? What we do? What we do? We replace d square by d by coefficient of z. Okay, what is the coefficient of z? Here is 2, here it is 1, and here it is 0. Okay, now here let us change it. So 4 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2. What happens here if you replace d by 1? Second term, denominator becomes 0, 100%. Why? Yeah, because 1 is one of the root. So don't replace here. What is to be applied then? What is the procedure? If it becomes 0, what is to be applied?
Multiply by z and differentiate.
Yeah. What is the derivative of denominator? 4d square. 4 2s are 8d minus. Correct?
8d minus.
Very good. Now you can do the replacement. It will not become 0 because 1 is repeating only once. Okay, here d should be replaced by 0. 0 minus 2. E raised to 0 z is 1. Tell me what you'll get here. This is 2 upon 2 square is 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 4 minus 2 is 16 minus 6 is
10.
10. Here 3. Replace. If you replace d by 1, this is 8 minus 2 is how much? 8 minus 2 is 6. This is 4 ones are 4. Sorry. This is 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is the value? Minus 2. Write pi in terms of x only. 2 ones are 2 5s are 1 by 5. What is e raised to 2z in terms of x? Check your x in the problem. Tell me e raised to 2z. E raised to z is 2x minus 1. I want e raised to 2z.
2x
Raise the
minus
power
1 whole
by 2.
square.
2x minus 1 the whole square plus 3 1s are 3 2s are. Z is what? E raised to z is 2x minus 3. What is z? What is z in the problem?
Log of 2x minus.
Yeah, log of 2x minus 1 upon 2 minus 2. This is your PI. And last step, GF is equal to CF plus PI should be written. Okay. This completes the part where we have applied the three types. It is done for both constant coefficient as well as variable coefficient. I feel these many problems are enough. What about you? Have you got the have you understood the concept? If you are perfect with the first concept, I don't feel it is difficult for you. Huh? Any questions in this? Tell me either yes or no. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So Cauchy's and Legendre's is over now. Take one example for homework. Write this example. Write the example. Now I'll take the last concept of this module, which is called as method of variation of parameters. In short, MVP. Method of variation of parameters. So here on this method, they will ask one question. So they will mention in the question that you have to solve it by this method. Okay, so that is the indication that you have to use this. Now, in this method, we are going to solve a second order differential equation of the form d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. Getting it? We are going to solve which order? Which order differential equation is this? What is the order of the differential equation? No? You don't know what is the order? Tell me, order of this differential equation.
Second order.
Second order.
Second
So,
order.
for your syllabus, you need to solve only second order. Huh? They will not ask third order, fourth order by this method. Are you getting the part? Okay. Now, in this equation, P and Q are constants. And if you see this RHS part R, this should be a function of X only. This is the standard format. So when you want to apply the method of variation of parameters, you have to follow some steps. The first step is write the equation in the standard format. Usually it will be given. Sometimes some term will be like here rearranged. So take it in this standard format. This is the first step. Now, second step is, as usual, you need to find a CF. What is the CF? How to find CF? How we have got CF? First, what has to be written for CF?
Auxiliary equation.
Auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation you should write and find out the roots. So tell me how many constants you will get in CF? How many constants you will get in all the problems under MVP? Can't tell fixed. Huh? What I said, this MVP is only you have to solve second order. So if you get second order means quadratic equation means how many roots?
Two.
2 roots means how many constants you will get in CF? 2 constants. Am I right? So you have to find CF and always you will get that CF in this format. Just for example, see, if 1 and 2 are the roots, have you write the CF? C1 e raised to 1x plus C2 e raised to 2x, isn't it? You know how to write it. Now, this should be compared with this standard form. Which form? C1U plus C2V. So if you compare it, what is matching? C1, C2 are matching. What you should collect is U and V. Tell me U and V will be functions of X or Y or what? If you compare and collect, U and V will be functions of what? You see here, this is the CF. They will be functions of X only, correct? Now this is the second step. You should compare and write what are U and V. Then you find one quantity called as Wronskian. This is to be found only in MVP method. How it is? It is denoted as capital W. The elements are fixed. How to take? U, V, U dash, V dash. Got it? So for a determinant, you know how to expand it. U V dash minus U dash V. This is the value of W. So W will be sometimes constants or function of X. Okay. Then we have to find the parameters. What are the parameters here? They are being named as A and B. So parameter A is given by, just see, very important. First function is U. First parameter is A, but A depends on which V, second function. Are you getting it? Don't interchange them, huh? Don't interchange the parameter naming and all. Otherwise, you will lose marks. So A is what? Minus integration VR upon W dx plus K1, and B value is UR upon W dx plus K2. What is R? How to get R? How to get R? What is R? Just observe here. What is R?
Function of X.
Yeah, function of
Function
X
of
which
X.
is present on the RHS part. That R should be taken. V you are aware, take it. W is the quantity what you have found. Okay, substitute, simplify, integrate. So these are called as parameters. That's why this method is called as variation of parameters. Then the general solution depends on the parameters. How it is written? It is not CF and PI because we have not found PI separate. It should be written as AU plus BV. I suggest you take a screenshot of this. Screenshot so that the steps will be clear to you. We are going to follow these steps. Yeah. Should I take problems? Did you get? These are the steps to be followed to solve the equation. Which order? Which order equation
order.
will be asked? Yeah, second order only. Yeah, write the first question. Solve d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to x by x by the method of variation of parameters. Okay, let us go according to these steps. Is the first step correct? What is that? You should write in this standard format. Is the given equation is in standard format? Yes or no?
Yes,
Huh? Yeah. So only thing, if you want, no, you write in terms of capital D. You want, you write it. Otherwise, directly also you can write, because CF, when we find, we write auxiliary equation. No. So I'm just writing in terms of D, nothing much. What is my R here for this problem? What is R?
EX by X.
Yeah, e raised to x by x. Yeah, what is the second step? We have written it. It is in standard format. What is the second step? What we have to find?
CF.
CF. So to find CF, what is to be done?
Auxiliary equation.
Yeah, m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Tell me the roots. Tell me the roots.
1 and 1.
1 and 1. So real and equal. How you write for 1 and 1? CF? C1 e raised to 1x plus C2 e raised to 1x. Correct? How you write CF?
C1 plus C2x into e raised to 1x.
X. Now what you do? Don't keep this exponential out, take it inside. Better. Because we want what is x, u and v. So isn't it, this is for both. C2x e raised to x. Okay, now comparing with, let's do the comparison with, what is the standard form? Just see step 2. What we have to compare with? CF equal to C1u plus C2. Are you getting it? C1u plus C2v. So if you do the comparison, tell me what is u? What
E
is
raised to
u? E raised to x. And what is v?
x into e raised to x.
X into e raised to x. Done. Now to find w, just see, we got uv. To find w, what is required other than uv?
U dash and u dash.
Yeah. So what is the derivative of e raised to x?
E raised to x.
E raised to x. What is the derivative of x into e raised to x? How to do it? How to do it? UV rule. So keep x as it is, e raised to x is e raised to x. E raised to x as it is, derivative of x is 1. This can be written as, what is common?
E raised to.
Yes. So with that you get 1 plus x into e raised to x is v dash. Now what is to be found? What is to be found?
W.
W. Okay. So W is u v u dash v dash fixed. Substitute now e raised to x, x e raised to x, e raised to x, 1 plus x e raised to x. Expand it. E raised to x into e raised to x is what? E raised to x into e raised to x is what?
E raised to
E
2x.
raised
2x. A raised to m into a raised to n, m plus n. Multiply these two, minus x e raised to 2x. Am I correct? What is common?
E raised to.
Yeah. What will you get here? From here 1 plus x, from here you will get a minus x. Tell me the simplification.
E raised to 2x.
Yeah, x will be cancelled. You will get 1 into e raised to 2x. This is w. So it is a function of x again. After w, just see the steps. We completed till third step. What is the fourth step? We have to find the parameters. Tell me the formula for a.
Minus integration of UR divided by W into dx plus k.
Very good. Plus k1. Substitute. What is v? V is x e raised to x. See, very important. Sometimes the student write it as u and all. They will cut the marks, nothing much. Yeah. R is, see what is R? RHS part?
E raised to x by x.
Yes. Whole divided by e raised to 2x, which is w. Okay, tell me the simplification. What can we do? What can we do? X can be cancelled. E raised to x, e raised to x is e raised to 2x will be cancelled, right? What is remaining? What is the integration of 1 with respect to x?
minus x.
Minus x
X.
plus k1. What is this? the value of A. Better keep it in a box. WAB value should be kept in box. What is the formula for B? A is minus, B is plus. A contains V, B contain U. Other quantity is same. Because throughout the problem we have 1 R, 1 W. No, we cannot change. What is U? U
E to the power
E raised to X. R E raised to X by X. W E raised to 2X. What remains? What remains?
1 by
1 by
x
X. Integration is
log x.
log X.
Log x.
Yeah. Now after this, what is to be written? After the parameters, last step. What is the last step? This will give you 1 mark. General solution. The general solution for MVP is different and for other problems it is fixed. Okay, therefore general solution is y equal to how to take AU plus B. We substitute now A. What is A? What is U?
Minus e power x.
What is B?
Log x plus kt.
Into B is
X power x.
X. Now what you do here, you collect in the first bracket, collect the terms containing K1, K2 and second bracket remaining terms. Tell me what are the terms containing K1? Multiply it.
K1
K1 e raised to x. What is the term containing K2?
K2x e raised to x.
Now other terms means remaining. This term. So if you take minus x e raised to x, here if you multiply x e raised to x log x. Hope clear. You get actually 4 terms. I am connecting K1, K2. Compare now this first bracket. Tell me where can you see some similarity? K1 e raised to x plus K2 x e raised to x.
C1 C2.
Yeah, it is exactly equal to the CF part what you have got, correct? But instead of K1, K2, they are C1, C2. So some teachers know they teach by taking it as C1, C2, but I don't use because already C1, C2 are used, no. So I don't take it. If you take it is not wrong. But so that you can tell. What is the first bracket representing? What is the first bracket representing?
Yep.
This is CF and this is what is PI actually. So altogether GS is CF plus PI only, but PI we have found by some different way. So this method altogether called as, what is the name? Method of variation of parameter, which is to be remembered. Okay. Yeah. Write the next example. Any doubt regarding this example? Previous one? Anything not clear? Okay, let us take next one. Write down d square y by dx square minus 6 dy by dx plus 9y equal to e raised to 3x divided by x square. Okay, let us write it. So d square minus 6d plus 9 into y is equal to e raised to 3x upon x square. Tell me what is r? RHS function. Okay. What is to be written? What is the next step?
Auxiliary equation.
Yeah, auxiliary equation. What are the roots?
3 and 3.
3 and 3. So real and equal again. So what is the CF?
C1 plus a C2 e into the power.
X into e raised to 3x. See, this is the last part. Still, we are using the CF part. So I told you in the beginning, for all the problems, we are going to find CF. Yes. So better keep it in, take this exponential inside. Otherwise, your u and v you take wrong way. Comparing with, what is the form there? C1u plus C2v, correct? What is u?
E power 3.
Is u? E raised to 3x. And what is v?
X e raised to 3x.
Okay, find u dash. Derivative of e raised to 3x.
3 power 3x.
V dash. See, okay, find it, V dash. X will keep derivative of e raised to 3x. E raised to 3x will keep. What is the derivative of x? 1. Okay, therefore W is equal to determinant u v u dash v dash. U is e raised to 3x, x e raised to 3x, u dash is 3 e raised to 3x. Here while writing v dash, I'll take common. What is common here? What is common?
3x
In these
plus
terms
1.
of e dash. So what do we get?
1 plus 3x.
Yes, 1 plus 3x you will get. Yeah, multiply. E raised to 3x into e raised to 3x is 6x or 9x?
6x.
6x.
E
Very
raised to
good.
6x.
A raised to m into a raised to n minus. Am I right? 3x e raised to 6x. Again, what is common? Will you get? What is the remaining thing? What is remaining? There is some background disturbance. If disturbance is there, mute yourself. Yeah, W is e raised to 6x. Somebody wants to sing? Yeah, take the parameters. What is the formula? Minus VR by W dx plus K1. We have got all the setup, not to worry. If you are really interested to sing, I can call you next time your name. I am now interested in teaching. I don't bother. Okay, right. What is V? Everything recording. Need not to worry. V. What is V for this problem?
X e raised to 3x.
What is R? E raised to 3x upon x square whole divided by. What is W?
E raised to 6x.
What is the cancellation? Exponential and one of the x goes, no? What remains? What is the integration of 1 by x?
Log x.
Log x. Yeah, this is the value of a. Let us find b. Formula ur by w dx plus k2. U is e raised to 3x, R is e raised to 3x upon x square divided by W, e raised to 6x. Exponential will be cancelled. Tell me what is remaining in the integration?
1 by x square.
Yes. What is the integration of that? Integration of 1 by x square is?
Minus 1 by x.
Minus 1
Minus
by
1 by
x. Yeah. Hope everybody knows it. You can take it as x raised to minus 1. Apply x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. You will get minus 1 by x. What is the last step? GS. Okay, substitute now. What is A? Minus log x plus k1 into u. U is e raised to 3x. B is minus 1 by x plus k2. What is B? B, x e raised to 3x. Again, what I've told in the first bracket, what to collect? What we need to take? Terms containing k1, k2.
K1 and
This
K2.
is, yeah, k1 e raised to 3x and k2. Even you can take 3x common. Okay, so what will get here? K1. Here what will get? K2x. Am I right? Check, is it your CF? Only constant are differing here. Constant are different. Okay? Yeah, tell me the terms not containing K1, K2, other than that. So isn't it this term and this term? So what I'll do, both are negative, I'll take minus out. Again here e raised to 3x is there in both the terms, I'll keep it out. This is log x. Check what happens here if you multiply by x to this quantity. What remains?
1.
Plus 1. Outside we have taken minus, no? That's why I'm writing it as plus 1. Is the part clear? How we are feeling method of variation to be? See here only you may get little trouble in integration, but not to worry. One of the parameter, if it is difficult example also, for one parameter it is very easy. Till now we have not faced. I'm telling you, if any difficult question needs to be asked, then also no, one of the parameter may be little adjust. Otherwise it is a simple concept. Take it the last example for today. Right. Solve d square y by dx square plus y is equal to secant x into tan x by using method of variation of parameters. Yeah, write the equation d square plus 1 into y equal to secant x into tan x. What is R? Secant x into tan x. What is the step? What is the step to be written?
Auxiliary equation.
Yes, very good. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is 0. What are the roots? What are the roots?
Plus or minus I.
Yes. Which type of roots they are? They are, okay, complex roots. Correct. How to write for complex? C1, see real part is 0, imaginary part is 1. C1 cos 1x plus C2 sin 1x. Correct? This CF should be compared with what? Which form? C1u plus C2v. What is u?
Cos x.
Cos x.
Cos x. What is its derivative? Derivative of cos x
Minus
is
I.
minus sin x. And what is v? V is sin x. What is the derivative of sin x?
Cos x.
Cos x. Let us find W. U, V, U dash, V dash. U, V, U dash, V dash. Expand it, cos into cos. Sin into sin. What is the value? Cos square plus sin square? 1. W will not trouble us today. Okay, for this problem. Okay, write down A minus VR by W dx plus K1. What is V? What is R? What is W? Hopefully you have substituted correctly. Okay, let us simplify this. Secant means 1 by cos, no? What is sin by cos then? Tan. Tan into tan?
Tan square.
Tan square. Actually, no terms will get cancelled, so I did not convert it in terms of sin and cos. We just simplified it as tan. So, if you want to integrate tan square, you don't have, right? So, what is to be done here? Have you integrate tan square?
1 minus secant square.
No. Tan square is, yeah, the basic identity is same, but it is wrong, you said. Tan square is, you have 1 plus tan square is secant square. What is tan square?
Sec minus 1.
Secant square minus 1 dx. Okay, yeah. What is the integration of secant? Secant square x.
Tan x.
Tan x. Minus, what is the integration of 1 with respect to x?
X.
X plus k1. Okay, next. This is the value of A. Isn't it simple? Let us find B. What is the formula? What is U? What is U? What is U in this problem? Cos x. What is R? Secant into tan divided by, what is W?
1.
1. What is cos into secant?
1.
1. So that remaining is tan. What is the integration of tan?
Sin x.
Huh? What is the integration
Log
of
of secant
tan? Log of secant x. Don't forget those basic things. Huh? This is B. Therefore, what is the general solution? Y equal to AU plus BV. If you substitute and simplify, can you tell me what will be the first bracket? Now I'll not write the substitution. You can tell me what is the first bracket you will get. First bracket is K1, K2 terms. Am I right? If you want, you just substitute and verify, no problem. Now other terms are, this is A should be multiplied with U. U is cos x. What is tan x into cos x? I think so we'll get sin x. Am I right? Minus sin x minus x into cos x. This is a U term done. Then BV. This with V. V is sin x. If you are not understanding what I am doing, You can substitute like previous and find out. It is easy. This is the general solution. Okay. Is the method, are you feeling it to be easy?